Ever find yourself entranced by the sound of simmering soup or sizzling stir-fry? Or perhaps the soft whispers of a chef explaining their recipe? Welcome to the world of ASMR cooking videos. ASMR, or Autonomous Sensory Meridian Response, is a blissful sensation triggered by soothing sounds like the ones found in cooking. It's not just about the food, but the journey of creating it that brings tranquility and stress relief. Well, you're not alone. There's a whole world of ASMR cooking videos out there waiting for you to explore. Now that we've whetted your appetite, it's time to dive into our list of 15 amazing Asian food ASMR cooking videos. First on the list is a video featuring the art of making sushi, the rhythmic chopping of fresh, crisp vegetables, the gentle patting of sushi rice, and the satisfying slice through a sushi roll. It's a symphony of sounds for your senses. Next, we have a video dedicated to the preparation of a steaming bowl of pho. The sizzle of the pan, the bubbling of the broth, and the soft slurp of noodles will undoubtedly transport you to the streets of Vietnam. The third video takes us to Korea, with the making of kimchi. The crunch of cabbage, the mixing of spices, and the sealing of jars. It's a delightful auditory journey. Our fourth video is dedicated to the preparation of Chinese dumplings. The soft kneading of dough, the rhythmic folding of pleats, and the gentle simmering of the broth. It's a feast for your ears. We could go on, from the sizzle of Thai street food to the gentle stir of a Japanese matcha tea ceremony. Each video offers a unique ASMR experience wrapped in the rich tapestry of Asian culinary traditions. There you have it, a smorgasbord of culinary delights, each with its own unique ASMR twist. We hope you're as excited to explore these videos as we are to share them with you. Now that we've shared our list of amazing Asian food ASMR cooking videos, it's up to you to embark on your own culinary ASMR adventure. We urge you to dive into this fascinating world. Experiment with the different flavors, sounds, and techniques that you've just seen. It's not just about the food, it's about the experience. The sizzle of the pan, the chop of the knife, the aromas that waft from your screen. These are all elements of a sensory feast that awaits you. Remember, these videos are not only delightful to watch, but they can also enhance your cooking skills and inspire you to try new recipes. They serve as a relaxing escape, a way to unwind after a long day, and a means to explore cultures through their cuisine. So go ahead, put on your headphones, relax, and let these ASMR cooking videos take you on a sensory journey like no other. Bon appetit!